10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, unité, top. Mise à feu, bulletin. Décollage.
With 1 day of delay, the new generation of European weather satellites, MSG, has been successfully launched on August 29 from the Kourou spaceport in French Guiana. At 1:45 in the night, the Ariane-5 heavy lifter has taken off with 2 satellites, one of which was the first of a series of new meteorological satellites for Europe. 34 minutes later, the upper stage has released the satellite into a stable preliminary orbit.
Séparation MSG.
And there we are,
Separation.
At this stage, the European Space Operations Centre in Darmstadt, Germany, is taking over operations in order to lift the satellite into its final geostationary orbit, 36,000 kilometers above the Earth. Since 25 years, European Meteosat satellites have been watching the Earth from that position, providing meteorologists with a permanent flow of images about fronts, clouds, surface temperature and water vapor in the visible and the infrared spectrum of light. Meteosat Second Generation will replace the previous Meteosat series of satellites and improve weather observations by a factor of 20. The new technology of MSG has been developed by scientists and engineers of the European Space Agency ESA and co-funded by ESA and EUMETSAT, the European Organization for the Exploitation of Weather Data. The satellite was built by Alcatel, including a consortium of 50 European companies. The main instrument on board of MSG is built by Astrium, called Severi. It is an imaging radiometer that permanently scans the Earth and provides an updated weather image every 15 minutes. For meteorologists, Severi data will be a big improvement because they will get a much better resolution and separate images in 12 spectral channels, each of them representing a different type of information. Images in the visible light show clouds only during daylight, while infrared light is reflected also during the night. MSG data will feed the computers of Met offices all over Europe and improve their models of the future weather. MSG will help to make weather forecast more reliable and more accurate on a local scale. This is increasingly important for business and logistics, including road and air traffic and the safety of vessels on the high seas. Today, a wide range of activities is planned according to weather predictions, and construction companies, power plants, farmers and even supermarkets rely heavily on accurate forecasting. MSG also carries the GERB climate instrument that measures the Earth radiation balance, giving insight into the local processes of global warming. GERB is part of the European Programme of Global Environment Monitoring, including other ESA satellites as the Environment Satellite ENVISAT. About 2 weeks after the launch, ESA will hand over MSG to EUMETSAT for further operations of the satellite and handling of the new European weather data.